Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the system. Make sure Windows 10 updates are applied and restart if needed. Once done, connect the exact headset or speaker to a known good jack or USB port so you eliminate hardware suspects early. Next, open sound settings, go to playback, set your intended device as default, and run the built-in test. This reveals whether the issue is device level or system level. Keep notes on distortion, dropouts, or volume mismatch as you move to deeper fixes. Now you tackle drivers and format. Open Device Manager, expand sound, update the driver, or roll back if a recent update caused degradation. After drivers, go to Playback Device Properties, right arrow Advanced, and set default format to 44. 1kHz or 48kHz, 16 or 24-bit. Mismatched rates often cause crackling. Make sure to disable audio enhancements and uncheck exclusive mode so apps cannot hijack output. Once these changes are applied, test with multiple apps to verify consistent improvement before proceeding. Finish with targeted troubleshooting. If problems persist, test a different app, cable, or USB adapter to isolate whether the app, connection, or hardware is at fault. Run the Windows Troubleshooter, and, if necessary, restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services to clear stuck processes. If you still hear issues, consider system restore to a known good point, or use an external DAC or USB headset which bypasses onboard audio. If none of this helps, one key tip: swap devices to confirm whether the PC or the headset is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.